an avid car collector. I have my own man cave down here in West Palm Beach where I collect exotic and classic cars. I've enjoyed that all my life until back in 2012. I woke up one morning, walked into my kitchen not knowing that the floor was wet, slipped, landed on my hip, knew right away I had a problem because I couldn't move my leg. They took me to the hospital and of course diagnosed me with a broken hip. The next day I was operated on by a local surgeon and thought hopefully everything was going to be fine. About 3 months later, I was visiting a friend who's also a cardiologist up in Jupiter, and he looked at me limping into the place and he said, "What's wrong with you? Your hip should be healed by now." I said, "It's a terrible pain. I don't know what to do."
Mr. Alan Ritchie is a great patient who unfortunately received one of the recalled products that we've had problems with metallosis and metal ion debris. He came to me because of pain in his previously replaced hip, needing a revision procedure. A revision procedure implies that I'm going into a previously operated joint that has these implants in place that requires some sort of redo, if you will.
But my experience with Dr. Vincent Fauble has been just wonderful. Well, you know, I'm 74 years old and I love working on my own cars, and I love to be able to wax them and get down and do some cleaning. I can now bend down to do my cleaning, and I'm back to normal, and hopefully I'll stay this way.